Alright, well, welcome back to Ballistic Machinist. Today I'm going to try my brass pellets, and depending on how the body armor I've got down here goes, I'm also going to hit it with a dumbbell slug and see what it does. As far as I know, nobody's ever tested these two rounds against hard body armor, and I have a level 3 plus plate from ar500armor.com, so we're going to give those a shot. Plus, I got my shirt from Kentucky Ballistics for the Just Put Your Thumb in It. I appreciate Scott doing tests with my ammunition in the past, so the least I could do is get a shirt and help him in his time in need. So let's get down here on the gun and see what this body armor can do. Alright, well, I got my high speed going on my phone down there. Let's see what the brass pellet does to that body armor. Alright, let's go see where we hit it. Alright, so it looks like we hit it right there, and it looks like, if you can see that, it caught the whole brass pellet right there in the anti-spall. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. I don't think it bent it at all. Alright, well, let's go back and hit it with a steel dumbbell slug and see what it does. But my steel dumbbell slugs and brass pellets are now in stock. So if you go to the link in my description, you'll be able to see my website and where you can get the ammunition. So go check that out as well. Alright, well, I've got a steel dumbbell loaded up in this. That's just crazy that caught the entire pellet. So we're going to give this a shot with the dumbbell and see what it does. Alright, let's go check that one out. Alright, so now here we are, down here at the body armor. And we hit right there with the second shot. This is where we hit it with the brass pellet. That's where we hit it with the steel dumbbell. And you can see, looks like part of the steel dumbbell is broke off in there. And it did not bulge it, but I can tell you what, with all the energy transfer that those two rounds put into that steel plate, I bet you if you had to shoot somebody or some, with armor on, it would knock the wind out of them for sure. But remember, they're available now, so you can head over to the website to see where you can pick them up. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.